DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
And SAS.
Yeah, and SAS. Actually, it's kind of a shame to see what's happening in Nigeria. I just want to say something. You know, some months back, actually, Jake, I know you don't know this, but you have to know. Some months back, we saw some videos flying around the military guys in Nigeria. You see them pushing their tanks. They were actually sent out to protect Nigeria from this guy is called Boko Haram. So we all knew that the Nigerian government are not doing very well. Like, they're not really taking care of these guys, you know. And we, the citizens, we actually did some things, like we shared videos because we want to help these guys, you know. And now something came up. We all know that the government is not really doing a good job. Now something came up, it's called NSAS, but we all know that it's not just NSAS, okay? We are talking about the bad government, police brutality, and so many things, you know. So many things are not working well in Nigeria. And now the citizens came up to speak for even the military guys. And now what do? Shoot them and kill them. Man, that's a shame, you know. You don't do that in the United States, right?
Nope.
What are the military supposed to do?
Protect the citizens.
Protect the citizens. These guys are out there speaking for you. You know, speaking so that whatever policies they are taking would work out for you as a military guy. But all you do is shoot them. That's a shame. This still brings me down to think about this. Like, I, for one, I'm an Igbo man from the eastern part of Nigeria. Originally, I grew up in Ogwagwa, Babanike, precisely. And then I asked myself a question, a simple question. Let's assume that I'm in 82 Division, which is in Enugu, and then some people are protesting in Okbara Square, and the general, or whatever it's called, calls me up and say, hey, you and 20 other military guys, you guys are going to go to Okbara Square to stop the protesters or to shoot them. Do you think I, being an Enugu indigene, will open fire on a group of people that I know that we have 90% chances of my mother or father being in the group, or even 99% chances of my brother or sister being in the group, or even 60% chances of my friends or my nephews, nieces, cousins being in the group? Will I open a fire on them? I think the answer is no.
No.
It's a shame. You're killing your own. You know, man, answers. It's a shame. I'm very disturbed with what the military did. And FYI, I'm not a military man. We are out here duck hunting, you know. Yeah, safe. Thank you. And rest in peace. My love goes out to all the people who lost their life, you know, during this protest. And I believe something is going to come out of this. Do you have a word for us? I know you don't. Good. All right, then. Take care, boys.
DJM TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supportive members: Arinze Aguloru, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Ville, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.